Go. Come on. I just saw you do it. It is frustrating. Look. Ready? This is her bait. I put the computer on the floor. You can't resist the computer. Don't try. Keep going. Look at my baby. You're crawling. Oh my gosh, you're such a big girl. Look at you. Too close. A little bit more. I know, I'm cruel. Look at you. Success. Do you want to do it again? Want to do it one more time? Sounds cool. Just one more time. Come on. Bobby's going to love this. Here. Come on. Come on. Show Daddy that you can really do it. Mommy's not crazy. Here. Baby, look. It's right here. Ooh, clicky. That's fun. Come on. This is the furthest you'll ever go. So far. Who knows what later on brings. Crawling's hard work. Taking a break? Look at you. Oh my gosh. I'm in trouble. A little bit longer, a little bit more. Another break. Look at you. Oh my Lord. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my whole life. And success. That still lays in your eye though. Come here. Let's interview you. Let's see. Here. How do you feel now that you can crawl? You feel good? No? You want that mouse, huh? Okay, fine. Here. There. Now how do you feel that you can crawl? No comment? Your actions speak for themselves? Baby, can you pay attention to me for a second? No? You're enjoying your prize? The light went away. Want to say bye? I know, you gotta plug it in for the light to come back on. So what's going on here? I was promised a light. That's right. That's what Mom does too. Something doesn't work, just shake it. Look at that hand control. Nice. Who needs toys? We got mouses. Mices. Baby. Baby. Hi! Can you talk to me for a second? Hi! Hi! What are you doing? You see the mouse? Alright. You crawled. You're good enough. Want to say goodbye? Want to say look at those cheeks. Look at them. Just look at those cheeks. Oh, hi. Say, never mind, Mom. Just say bye for me. Bye, everyone.